How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you 5 solutions to get you back on track and selling on Marketplace. First things, let's make sure your Facebook account is old enough. Facebook Marketplace has community guidelines that restrict access for brand new accounts. This helps protect users from unwanted activity. If your account is new, you won't be able to access Marketplace. But once it's aged a bit, you should be good to go. Second, Marketplace isn't available in every location, so double-check that you're in a country where Facebook offers it. I've added a link in the description below with a list of eligible countries. Take a look after this video. Third, there's an age restriction for Facebook Marketplace. You must be 18 or older to access it. This is because Marketplace often involves buying and selling things, and Facebook wants to protect younger users. Let's check your birthday settings. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account Center at the top. Under Account Settings, click Personal Details. Select Birthday. Make sure you're 18 or older. If not, update it, but only if it's your real birthday. Fourth, using an outdated Facebook app can cause problems, including blocking you from Marketplace. So head to your App Store or Play Store and see if there's an update available. A quick update might be all you need. Fifth, if the app isn't working, try the web version of Marketplace. Open your browser and head to facebook.com/marketplace. This will take you to the official Marketplace page, and you should be able to access it there. That's all you need. You now have 5 solutions to fix the Marketplace isn't available issue. And this is how to fix Facebook. Marketplace isn't available to you. If you have any questions about Facebook Marketplace, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.